is one of the four classic elements in witchcraft, often revered for its ethereal and elusive nature. Along with earth, fire, and water, it forms a crucial part of the elemental tapestry. Air forms the foundation of magical practice, serving as a bridge between the physical and the spiritual realms. Each element holds a unique significance, contributing to the balance and harmony of nature. Air, often seen as the most subtle of the elements, is crucial in witchcraft, symbolizing intellect and communication. It represents the very breath of life, the essence that sustains all living beings. The invisible force that carries energy and intention, air is a vital component in rituals and spells. Without air, the world would be devoid of sound and motion. The wind's whisper, the bird's song, and the rustle of leaves all depend on air, creating a symphony of natural sounds. Its intangible nature belies its power, as it can both gently caress and fiercely storm. In witchcraft, air is not merely a physical element, but a conduit for magic, a medium through which energy flows. It carries our thoughts, prayers, and spells to the universe, connecting us to the greater cosmos. Air is deeply symbolic in witchcraft, representing the breath of life and the invisible forces that shape our world. Often associated with the East, it represents the dawn, new beginnings, and the awakening of the mind and spirit. The fresh morning air brings clarity and inspiration, setting the stage for the day's journey. It is the element of intellect, knowledge, and wisdom. Air fuels our thoughts and ideas, driving innovation and discovery. Air governs communication, whether it's the spoken word or the silent language of the universe. It carries our messages and intentions far and wide. Air represents freedom, change, and the power of the unseen. It is a force that can be gentle or fierce, guiding us through transformation. It is linked to travel, both physical journeys and spiritual exploration. The element of air encourages us to explore new horizons and expand our boundaries. Just as the wind cannot be contained, air signifies liberation from constraints and limitations. It invites us to break free from the mundane and soar to new heights. It encourages us to embrace new ideas, perspectives, and possibilities. Air is a reminder that change is constant and that we should welcome it with open arms. Witches work with air in various spells and rituals to manifest their desires and intentions. One common practice is using the wind to carry away negativity and unwanted energies. By whispering their troubles to the wind, witches release what no longer serves them, finding peace. Air is also used for purification and cleansing rituals. Incense smoke, for example, purifies spaces and objects, removing negative energies. Blowing on candles or herbs during spells directs energy and intention towards a specific goal. Visualization techniques often involve imagining thoughts and desires being carried by the wind to their intended destination, manifesting them. Many deities are associated with air in different cultures and traditions. These deities often embody the qualities of air, such as communication, intellect, and freedom. In Greek mythology, Hermes is the messenger of the gods, known for his swiftness and eloquence. He is often depicted with winged sandals, symbolizing his ability to move freely and quickly through the air. The Celtic goddess Brigid is linked to inspiration, poetry, and healing, all aspects of air's influence. She is revered for her ability to bring clarity and insight, much like a fresh breeze clearing the mind. Other correspondences for air include the colors yellow and light blue, which represent the sky and the lightness of air. Tools like feathers and bells are also associated with air, as they can be used to invoke the presence of air spirits and energies. Animals like birds and butterflies, which move gracefully through the air, are powerful symbols of this element. By incorporating these elements into their practices, witches connect with the energy of air and enhance their magical workings. This connection can bring about greater mental clarity and spiritual insight. Air, in its many forms, is an essential element in witchcraft. It represents the breath of life and the flow of energy. From the gentle breeze to the mighty storm, air's presence is a reminder of the unseen forces that shape our world. It reminds us of the unseen forces that shape our world and the power of nature's breath. and the power of our own breath and intention to create change. By aligning with the element of air, we can harness its energy to inspire and transform our lives.